If it's about dental health, sufferers are confronted with the decision of between having their dental procedures completed locally or move to a foreign location for less expensive options. One of the most popular destinations in terms of dental tourism is Turkey and has built the reputation of providing top-quality dental treatments for a fraction of the costs compared with European countries. In this clip, we'll explore the difference in dental filling prices among Turkey and Europe in order to decide which has the lowest cost for fillings for dental purposes. Turkey has rapidly become the most sought-after location for dental tourism thanks to the affordable costs and top-quality dental treatment. Costs for dental fillings in Turkey may vary according to the material being used as well as the difficulty of procedures, as well as the credibility of the dental practice. The average cost of dental fillings in Turkey are priced from $30 to $150 for each tooth. This includes the price for the consultation, material, and even the process itself. Contrary to this, European countries such as Germany, France, and the UK generally have greater cost of dental fillings. The price of dental fillings within Europe is usually between $100 to $300 per tooth. This can be attributed to the increased prices for living, costs of labor, and the strict regulations of European countries. One of the major reasons that dental fillings Turkey cost less is the cost savings of living and the labor costs in Turkey. The dental clinics of Turkey have the ability to provide low prices while maintaining the quality of treatment. A lot of dental specialists within Turkey are well-trained and knowledgeable, offering excellent treatment for both the international and local population. In addition, it is the case that exchange rates play an essential factor in ensuring that dental treatment in Turkey is cheaper for those from outside the country. In addition, the Turkish lira is more sluggish in comparison to the euro or the British pound, which means that foreigners can obtain greater value while receiving dental services in Turkey. This makes Turkey an appealing choice for patients who want to reduce costs for dental fillings, as well as other procedures. Regarding quality, Turkish dental clinics are well known for the use of advanced techniques and premium material for fillings in the dental. A lot of dentists in Turkey are educated in modern techniques and procedures to ensure that patients receive top-quality care. In addition, dental practices located in Turkey are monitored under the supervision of the Ministry of Health, ensuring that they are in compliance with strict standards in terms of cleanliness and safety. In contrast, European countries also have well-known dental clinics which provide superior dental services. However, the cost of treatment for dental services in Europe might deter some patients from seeking treatment locally. Patients trying to lower the cost of dental fillings could consider Turkey to be a cost-effective option that doesn't sacrifice high quality. It is vital to keep in mind that travel for dental treatment is not feasible for everybody. Patients need to consider things like travel costs, including accommodation, travel costs, as well as time off for at work before deciding to have dental fillings done at a dental clinic in Turkey and Europe. Patients should also investigate and select a trustworthy dental facility with positive reviews and other recommendations for an effective dental procedure. Turkey has a lower cost for dental fillings as compared to European countries because of its low cost of living, an attractive exchange rate, and premium dental services. For those who want to lower the cost of dental treatment without sacrifice on high-quality care may find Turkey an attractive option to travel for dental treatment. But it's important to evaluate the benefits and drawbacks when traveling to receive dental services and pick a trusted dentist for a safe dental treatment. The final decision on Turkey and Europe in terms of dental fillings will vary based on personal desires, budget, as well as convenience.